So, the Google Pixel 8a has enjoyed its spot as the top budget smartphone for some time, but that title may soon change hands. All signs point to the Pixel 9a arriving in the very near future, with leaks indicating a launch this month. Even better, it seems Google will once again stick with the same $499 price tag, ensuring the 9a remains a strong contender in the affordable phone space. While much of the attention has focused on the phone's specs, a fresh leak has given us a different kind of preview: its wallpapers. Android Authority has managed to get its hands on the Pixel 9a's official background images, giving us an early taste of the aesthetic direction Google is taking. Google has a long history of pairing its devices with color-coordinated wallpapers, a pattern that holds true for the Pixel 9a. According to the leak, the 9a will launch in 4 colors: obsidian, porcelain, iris, and raspberry. Each shade will come with matching wallpapers, available in both light and dark themes. These designs appear to evolve from the floral-style patterns used on past models, making them a familiar yet refreshed touch. However, the real story lies beneath the surface, and the Pixel 9a's hardware is shaping up to be a serious upgrade for the price. Reports suggest the device will pack the same Tensor G4 chip found in the Pixel 9 flagship, giving it plenty of power to handle day-to-day tasks and AI-driven features. It's also expected to ship with 8 GB of RAM and offer 128 GB of base storage, with a pricier 256 GB option for users who need extra space. Battery life should get a minor bump too, with the 9a rumored to house a 5100 mAh battery, a small but welcome upgrade over the 8a's 4492 mAh cell. The most noticeable physical change could come from the camera design. Google may ditch the horizontal camera bar that's been a signature of the Pixel lineup since the Pixel 6, replacing it with a compact oval housing. Inside, you'll likely find a 48-megapixel primary camera paired with a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens. While that's technically a downgrade from the 8a's 64-megapixel main sensor, improvements to aperture and processing could still result in better photos. So, I'd love to know what you all think about the upcoming Pixel 9a. Share your opinions in the comments below. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.